Hello all, this video is on money plant. It's two ways of propagation, soil propagation and water propagation. This plant is grown under neem plant in my garden. See the small branch coming out of a big neem plant. Money plant can be propagated very easily and they develop roots within a week, and you can propagate them by taking cutting easily. I have taken a cutting from this mother plant and will be propagating in a container, small container. For this, we need to take a cup of water, a scissor, and cutting of money plant. We should take cutting and see properly the nodes. Node is a place from where leaf and root will be developing, so that be careful while cutting. Don't cut exact on the node, it will cause damage and roots and shoots will not develop. Leaf will not develop. This is the node. You can see a small structure which is root, and a leaf has already developed. This is the initial stage of the leaf. Let's cut the stem exact above and below the node, same like this. It is a perfect cut. Do not cut too near or too far the node. This is the node, and leave a little space above and below the node. Remove the excess stem and cut in the same way. Now the cuttings are ready for propagation. Before that, arrange them as you desire. If possible or if necessary, clean the leaves since they are gonna be inside of your house. Money plant is indoor plant as well as outdoor. It needs a minimum sunlight. You can keep once in a week outside for direct sunlight, and give them shower so that they will be very happy. Money plant needs no much care, but you should change water every week so that it will grow healthy and there will be no root rot. Now place the bunch of cuttings into the glass. We should have water, tap water, not filter water. This is how it looks. Now soil propagation. For this we need a very nice garden soil. Dig a little and place the cutting and cover the nod of the cutting with soil and press it gently. I'm not adding water to it since moisture is too much in the pot. You can add water to it after you plant. The plus point of this water propagation is that you can place anywhere. Since it is in small container, you can place it on beside TV or on the dining table or as a showpiece. It will purify air in the home, so you can try this at home. Simple cutting, a piece of cutting is needed for this propagation, and it looks more beautiful when it is decorated with a little creativity. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel